walk 100 miles. I'm gonna whistle all the while. That's what it takes to make me smile. I'm gonna walk 100 miles. I'm gonna run right up this hill.
Squints.
Gone.
Gone.
I'm gonna run right up this hill.
Let's do a spot of cave.
Right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just
Grotto,
a little
as
girl,
one might say.
a little girl with great
Negotiate
big
some
plans.
boulders.
I'm gonna go and take a chance.
There we go.
I'm
Nice
gonna
little
learn to
boardwalk.
ballet dance. Learn a little something about romance. I'm gonna go and take a chance. I'm gonna
Apparently
live a crazy
these
dream,
are the caves where
possible
the
as it may
boy's son
seem.
used to
Doesn't matter what the
live.
future
The
brings.
cave
I'm gonna live
dwellers.
a crazy dream.
It's amazing,
I wanna hold the whole
wonderful
wide
area
world
entrance.
right here in my open hands.
No,
Maybe
they
I'm
did it,
just
but
a
they
little
did it.
girl, a little girl with great big plans. I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. And maybe I'm just a little girl with great big
And
plans.
there we go.
You tell me, don't try it. I'm warning you that I won't buy it. All the failure
There is something going on the
is
beach.
leading.
I can see hundreds of thousands
Trust it always has
cormorants. I don't know. I'm not the birdie. It could be this. There are millions of them.
Maybe I'm just a little girl.
Look at that.
I wanna hold the whole wide world right here in my open hands. Maybe I'm just a little girl.
It's phenomenal. Wow. That is a sight I've never seen before. Unbelievable. Wow. Jeez. It just shows you what you see when you go hiking. Hiking along the beach. Gee whiz. Unreal. Look at it from all the way there, all the way up the beach. Oh, that is once in a lifetime sight. There goes the beach. Oh God, let's get out of the road. Like sitting in